Hi everyone, my name is Guillaume Ross. Welcome to my course Getting Started with osquery. I'm a principal security consultant at Caffeine Security and a principal product manager at Optics, a company that leverages the power of osquery for security analytics. osquery is a very powerful open source agent that can let you ask questions to your operating systems as if they were a virtual database. Thanks to this, you can ask your systems things like, what processes are listening to network connections right now? Or, what user account executed the process netcat? In this course, we're going to install osquery on Linux and Windows, write simple queries and understand the osquery schema, join tables together to get more value out of the data and answer security concerns, and we'll review the advantages of different deployment models for osquery. By the end of this course, you'll know how to deploy osquery, write queries and query packs for it, and how to use it to solve security challenges like improving endpoint visibility, performing targeted threat hunting, and implementing file integrity monitoring. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Linux and SSH. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn osquery with the Getting Started with osquery course at Pluralsight.